Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to show you how can you solve the problem that you cannot extend the volume in Drive C. So here I'm gonna check for you. On your keyboard, click Windows key plus S, then type Create. Now click on this. Right-click on Volume C. As you can see, the extend volume is unclickable, so you cannot extend the volume. Even I have the free space or an allocated space here, but it still can't be extended. Okay, this is because the recovery partition is next to the volume C. Here, it's on the right side of the volume C. So now, I'm gonna show you how to solve it. Step 1. Disable window array. Now go to the search bar. Type CMD, and then it will show you the command prompt. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes to open it. Once it opened, type reagent C /info. Hit Enter. Once the operation is successful, and then type reagent C /disable. Hit Enter. So now, the window array is disabled. Now exit the command prompt. Step 2. Delete recovery partition. Go to the command prompt again. Then run it as administrator. Type disk part. Then type list disk. Okay, as you can see, my PC only has disk O. Now type select disk 0. And hit Enter. Okay, now disk 0 is selected. And then you're gonna type list partition. Hit Enter. And then it will show all partitions. If you are not sure which one is the recovery partition, you need to check it to prevent from losing files. Now search for Create and Format Hard Disk. Open it. Now you have to looking for the recovery partition. And here it is in the partition for, which has only 522 megabytes. It might be in the different partition in your PC. Make sure, check the correct name and size, which are recovery partition and 522 megabytes. Now back to the command prompt. And here look for that recovery partition. Once you found it, type select partition and your recovery partition number. For me, it's number 4. Once you done, hit Enter. Now type delete partition override. Hit Enter. As you can see, now the recovery partition is deleted, and the problem is fixed. You now can close the command prompt. Now go back to Create and Format Hard Disk. Right-click on the volume C. Now you can extend volume. Click on it. Next. Next. And finish. Now your hard drive should has bigger size. And your problem has been solved. I hope this video will help you. If you have any problems, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks you for watching. See you in the next video.